Hello, and welcome to this English listening practice. In this audio, you will hear slow and clear everyday English. The sentences are simple and easy to follow. You can listen while you work, walk, drive, or relax at home. There is nothing you need to do. Just listen and enjoy the English. It is the beginning of a new day. The room is quiet and a little dark. Outside, the sun is starting to rise. Soft light comes through the window. I am lying in bed under a warm blanket. The bed is comfortable. I am sleeping. After some time, I start to wake up. I open my eyes slowly. I look at the ceiling above me. The room is still quiet. I stay in bed for a short time. I think about the day ahead. Then, I decide to get up. I turn my head on the pillow. The pillow is soft and cool. I look toward the window. The light is brighter now. I stretch my arms above my head. Then, I stretch my legs. The blanket moves on the bed. Stretching helps my body wake up. Now, I get ready to get out of bed. I fold the blanket down. Cool air touches my arms. I move my legs to the side of the bed. My feet touch the floor. The floor is wooden and a little cool. I sit on the edge of the bed for a moment. Then I stand up. I make the bed. I pull the sheet flat. I pull the blanket up. I place the pillows neatly at the top. The bed looks tidy. The first task of the day is done. I walk slowly across the room. I feel the floor under my feet. I walk to the window. I stand there for a moment. I look outside. I see the sky. I see houses and trees. I see the street below. A few cars pass by. The day is starting. I turn away from the window and walk back across the room. I walk out of the bedroom and into the hallway. I walk to the bathroom. I open the door and step inside. I turn on the light. I walk to the sink and look at my face in the mirror. I turn on the tap. Water flows into the sink. I splash cool water on my face. Then I turn the tap off. I take a towel and dry my face. I pick up my toothbrush. I put toothpaste on it. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. When I finish, I rinse my mouth. I clean the toothbrush and put it back. My morning routine is complete. Now it is time for breakfast. I walk to the kitchen. The kitchen is bright with morning light. I open a cupboard and take out a bowl. I take cereal and pour it into the bowl. Then I open the refrigerator. I take out the milk. I pour milk into the bowl. I put the milk back. I take a spoon and sit at the table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I drink a glass of water. I enjoy the quiet morning. When I finish eating, I clean the bowl and spoon. I place them in the sink. After breakfast, I get dressed. I go back to the bedroom. I open the wardrobe. I choose a shirt and trousers. I put on my clothes. Then, I put on socks and shoes. I check myself quickly in the mirror. I am ready to leave. Before I go out, I take my bag. I check what is inside. I have my phone, my wallet, and a notebook. Everything is there. I take my keys from the table. I check the windows. They are closed. I open the front door and step outside. I lock the door and walk away from the house. I arrive at work. I sit at my desk. I turn on the computer. The screen lights up. I open a document. I start my work. I read some notes. Then, I begin to type. I work slowly and carefully. I focus on my task. Time passes. I continue working. I stop for a short break. I stand up and stretch my back. Then, I sit down again and continue. The morning goes by. At midday, I take a lunch break. I save my work and close the computer. I go to the kitchen. I make a simple lunch. I eat slowly. I take a short rest. After lunch, I return to work. In the afternoon, I finish my tasks. When the workday ends, I pack my things. I leave the building and go home. After work, I have some free time. I go for a short walk. I walk through a quiet street. I see other people walking. I enjoy the fresh air. After some time, I return home. In the evening, I prepare dinner. I cook a simple meal. I eat at the table. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I clean the kitchen. Everything is tidy again. Later, I relax at home. I sit down and read a book or watch something on the screen. I do this for a short time. Before I go to bed, I slow down. I walk through the room one last time. I check the door. I check the window. Everything is closed. I turn off the last light. The room becomes quiet. I sit on the bed for a moment. Then I get ready to sleep. At the end of the day, I get ready for sleep. I change into my pajamas. I turn off the lights in the house. I go to the bedroom. I lie down in bed and pull the blanket up. I turn off the lamp. The room is dark and quiet. The day is over. It is time to sleep. Thank you for listening. You can listen again or choose another video. Goodbye for now.